crafty friends, it's Jenny from OrigamiTree, and today I have a special Easter treat for you. It is a free printable on my website of a Easter bunny paper toy. I had this specially designed for you guys and I think it came out really cute, so I hope you enjoy it too. But before we jump into the demo, if you are new to my channel, be sure you hit the subscribe button and also notification bell to be alerted of new videos when they come out. And without further ado, let's jump right in. To make this super adorable Easter bunny paper toy, you're going to need the Easter bunny template, which you can find for free on my website, origamitree.com. I'll also leave a link in the video description down below, so be sure to check that out. The instructions are pretty easy to follow. The red dots means to glue, the dotted lines means to fold, and then you have two options for the hands. The first option has the egg detached from the arms, like I have over here, so you can pull the egg in and out as you wish. The second option has the hand and the eggs permanently glued together, so that would be this one over here, and you would just slip that in. And once you have the template printed out, you also need a pair of scissors and also some glue. I'll just be using a Elmer's glue stick. I'm going to start off by cutting out all of the pieces. Once you have all of the pieces cut out, we're going to create the bunny. So every time you see a red dotted line, that means you're going to fold. And every time you see this red dot, that means you're going to glue. So the head, I'm going to fold this back first. And then fold this back. And then each one of these horizontal lines are going to be folded back as well. And now we're going to take the tabs and fold them back as well. So I like to fold all of the pieces before I use any glue, so I'm going to move on to his body right now, and you're going to fold back along this dotted line here, the red one. Back this way. And then all of the tabs. Fold that back as well. For his ears, you want to fold the tabs back only. Now for the hands, there are two options. This one has the egg permanently glued to the hand, so you just fold that back and this one back. Like that. And this one has the hand separated from the egg. And I kind of like this one better because then you have the option of having the egg or not having the egg. And for this one, you're just going to fold back the hand like this. Now for the bottom, what you're going to do is you're going to take this one and you're going to flip it around. And then you're going to place this one with the red dot right on top. And then you're going to layer it up and then fold the little legs back up like that. And like that. And now we're ready for some gluing. So I'm going to take my glue and I'm going to work on the bottom first. So I'm going to put some glue right here. Make sure you get the feet too. Put that right on top. So now we're going to work on the body, and for the body we're just going to, it's kind of like a box almost, but not. It's going to look like this, and we're going to take each one of these tabs over here and dab a little bit of glue on it. And a little bit of glue goes a long way. Here we go. Now we have his body all done. And next I'm just going to put a little bit of glue right over here. And then put the body right on top. Now we're going to work on the head, and for the head we're just going to put a little bit of glue on all of the tabs. I like to do one side first, so top side first, and then the back. Now I'm going to do the back. And now let's glue the head onto the body, so dab some glue right at the top. Put his head on. Now we're going to put the ears on, and with the ears you can put them wherever you want. I'm going to put this one right in the middle on the side, or you could put it towards the front if you want. I like to put it in the middle. Same thing with this one. Now for the hands and the egg, you have two options. This one has the hand separated from the egg. This one has the hand permanently glued onto the egg. So for this one, you just slip it right behind the feet over here. And then you dab a little bit of glue on this side and a little bit of glue on this side, and it'll secure together like this. So I'm going to use the first option because I like the hands to be detached from the egg. So for this one, I'm just going to put the arms on. And on this side as well. And then if you want the egg on, you could just slip it right inside like that. And you have your little paper bunny. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking around until the very end of the video. If you'd like to see more paper templates on my channel, be sure to leave a comment below letting me know that, and also what animal you'd like to see. Again, this was provided to you for free, but if you would like to support OrigamiTree, I would appreciate that so much. All of the proceeds are going to go towards buying supplies for future workshops in New York City for senior citizens and for kids, so it's for a really great cause. You can buy merchandise in the video description below, and it just really helps to fund more videos like this and to provide things for, you guys and just the arts and crafts community. So I would really appreciate your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!